Ignition sequence start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. We have a liftoff.
CSEM play a key role in the innovation value chain by narrowing the gap between fundamental research from one side and industrialization from the other side. Thanks to its unique business model in Switzerland and maybe in the world, CSEM developed world-class technologies using the public funding we received from the Swiss Confederation, about 1/3 of our turnover, and transfer it after that to the industrial sector and valorize it using kind of competitive funds and the industrial fund. And therefore, new ventures are created, and new innovation are created also from companies, and the new products are launched in the market. I choose today some of the products that were launched recently. For example, the startup Ava has launched its fertility tracker, which is a product, and we have done the technology transfer with them in the frame of an InnoSwiss project. Another product that we can show also today is the blood pressure monitoring, the continuous blood pressure monitoring released recently by Actia, a spin-off of CSEM. And we can also talk about blood pressure monitoring and making this monitoring using a smartphone and the camera of your smartphone with a startup, with a Swiss startup, Biospectral, that also we worked with them in the frame of an InnoSwiss proposal. We were able to make these success stories thanks to the ancestor of these products, which was a NISA proposal and a NISA project. In the frame of this project, CSEM has developed a system to monitor the astronauts and specifically their physiological parameters. After this project, and thanks to the public funding that we received from the Confederation, we were able to work again on the system to democratize its application, to work on the hardware, on the software, on the sensors, and on the algorithm libraries in order to make it cable-less, easily wearable, and highly reliable. Therefore, we were able to create a high level of know-how and maturity that allowed us to transfer these technologies to the companies in a short time frame. This is how we leverage, at the end of the day, the public funding that we receive from the Swiss government to serve a panoply of companies, and each of them in a very specific field of use. My autonomous watch is telling me that I exceeded my time. And yes, this solar dial has been developed at CSEM.
We have a liftoff.